Yo, we're doing a prize pack opening. We got season wine packs, crypto packs, electric packs, dynamic duos, Lunar New Year packs. I'm most excited about this iconic packs. We got one deluxe pack. I also get one lit year deluxe packs. Which iconics, rush packs, inferno packs. Okay, without further ado, let's start. Let's start with the season rewind packs. Let's see if we can pull something. Sapphire. Then shooter. Yeah, I got that card already, so that could be a quick sell. Deluxe. I got so many cards that I don't have 2K in this season. Rewind packs are really big. Trace Jackson Davis. I don't have that card as a W. Getting W's from movies. Wait. Season wine packs, man. I'm not playing. Not playing this. Oh, you gotta shake. They say if you pull a. I got a diamond, it won't shake anymore. Let's see what's this. Strength. Air Jordan Air Jordan 3. Full Spade. Lakers playbook. Oh, amethyst. Wait, this is the amethyst they don't have. Point guard, Eastern. Number 5. Cyrus Jones. Wait, I think I have that card already. Let's see. Why is it shaking? Oh, you don't have that card, so that's a W. Thought maybe pink diamond, since diamonds don't shake anymore. Wait. This Inferno base pack. Nothing too crazy, it's a base pack. Base packs. Yeah. Alright, Series 1 Gabe Vincent. Series of base packs. Base packs don't matter anymore. I hope they just took out as base packs. Wait. Where do we go? How about electric deluxe pack? So this is guaranteed. It's up. Let's see. It's shaking, so that means I don't have this card. Lakers logo unblockable. Upper body card. This Jason Terry head coach. A diamond. A diamond. So I don't have this diamond. Shooting guard. Number 1 from the Rockets. Aaron Thompson. I don't have that card. Wait, I think I have that card already. Oh, I don't have that card. Okay, that's a W. That's sellable too. That's empty for Tuesday. Dynamic duos. The locks pack, so this is guaranteed. Amethysts are up. Another shake. Head coach Mark Dougnote. Air Jordan X XXI. Trailblazers logo. An amethyst. Wait, I don't have this amethyst. What is this? Shooting guard Eastern. Number 3 from. And then wait. Oh. Okay, I think that's W. I don't have that card. Let's see. What else? Lunar New Year deluxe pack. Right, that's right. We're getting shakes, but we're just getting amethysts and diamonds. Another diamond. Wait, I have all the diamonds, right? Power forward, Eastern, number 7. Oh, I'm gonna have this card. Under Blige. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have this card. Okay, that's a W. That's empty since it's sellable. It's what else? I think that's it. Okay. What is rush back from the agenda? Choose the agenda. Oh, you gotta shake. This is a player, right? Self-Text Arena. Course logo. Not enough with this. Catch and shoots. This. What? Power forward. 20 Denver Nuggets. Alfonso Ellis. Yeah, I pulled that card and I sold it just to open packs. What else? I think lift up and iconic. Showtime equals chance back. Sellable. An amethyst. Ooh, Vince Carter. How much is it? Quick circle, 11,000 empty. Yeah, okay, I'll take that. 11,200. 11,200 empty. Lift up packs and iconic packs. Lift up base packs. Imagine if you pull a 100 overall from the base pack and that's not gonna happen. Wait, where's the player? Eugene Omori. Yeah, I don't have that card. 800 base pack. Base packs. Base packs, we're not getting anything from base packs anymore. Miles Turner. Let's see. Oh, base packs in this regular pack. I think I got this from. Wait, I got this from the agenda. Oh, you gotta shake. Standing down, this is a player from the set. Imagine if you pull a Galaxy off from this. Leg injury. Nuggets jersey. Draw foul. What is this? That Galaxy open. That's an Opal. What's that? Power forward. Western. It's a diamond. Oh, I learned. Let's see. Another Myteam regular pack. Oh man. Ricky Council. The fourth. We'll open this deluxe one a bit later on. How about iconic base packs? Iconic base packs. Ruby, Trey Young, head coach Mike Brown. Wait, I have this Trey Young already. Oh man. So for an amethyst coach, if there's an auction house, that would be about what? 80 to 100,000 empty. We're not getting anything from the space pack. Amethyst. Kyrie Irving. Wait. Okay. Check out the base pack here. So the Kyrie Irving. Let's see. Where's that base pack? Okay, another base packs. from Kyler. Mm-hmm. There's this. I'm not getting anything from base packs anymore. Emerald. Transventurous. Last 5 packs. Iconic is a standard pack. From this from the agenda or the exchange. I can't remember anymore. Oh man, we're not pulling anything. Tim Hardaway Jr. We're not getting shades. Man, we just wasted a diamond, an amethyst, and 2 rubies. And we got an emerald. Herbert Jones. A duplicate Herbert Jones. Okay. Last iconic standard pack. Wow. My god. Anything. Bounce ball. Yeah, bounce ball. Last 2 deluxe pack. Leap year, so this is guaranteed. Pink diamond, 90%, 5%. Let me get out the Opal. Alright, pink diamond. Who's this? Power forward, Eastern. 0-0. Iron Gordon, okay, I'll take that. It's not sellable. I'll take that. Wait, we don't have... Come on. Could this be our first Galaxy Opal free pack? Let's see. This will be the last pack. Okay, 400 packs. Clippers jersey. Rose Garden Breakers. Oh god. Oh well. Big diamond. There's this center, Eastern. Number 21. Sign what side? We got the sign. Hassan White side. Well, no Galaxy Opals for me.